Hi everyone, and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. My name is Abby Andrew, and I'm the Alopecia Ambassador for this channel, meaning that I talk about wigs from the perspective of someone who's dealt with hair loss for pretty much my whole life, and has been wearing wigs almost daily since about the age of 7. In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick and easy wig washing tutorial for synthetic wigs. I'm going to be demonstrating on this wig that I'm wearing right now, which is Cody from the Amore Collection in the color Creamy Blonde. This wig has been one of my staples in my wig collection since about the age of 12 years old. I've always had this style, a version of it in my collection for all those years up until now. So definitely love this piece. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a basic wig wash, which is going to be part of your regular wig maintenance. Now, in order to tell when a wig needs to be washed, you can kind of start to feel it in the hair fibers. They kind of don't really flow as nicely anymore, or maybe you can even kind of feel like it needs a wash with your fingers. And you don't need to wash synthetic hair as much as you would your own hair growing out of your head or with human hair. However, I would estimate if you wear it every single day, I would guess maybe about every 2 weeks, but you can kind of tell just by looking at it or feeling it with your fingers. And as you get to know your wig, you'll kind of get used to noticing when it needs a wash. So for example, if you're noticing that maybe your wig doesn't flow as nicely or doesn't have the shine that it did when it was new, it could just be that all it needs is a wash. In order to wash a synthetic wig, you're going to need synthetic wig products. If you use products designed for human hair, it can be too harsh and risk damaging your wig or just cause it to not last as long. We make wig shampoo and wig conditioner in addition to some other synthetic hair products that you can check out on our website, reneofparis.com. But these two products are what I'm going to be working with in this video. So we have the René of Paris Prepare Shampoo and the René of Paris Light Conditioner. So these two are really easy to use, and you can just follow the directions on the back here, and I'm going to show you in this video. To wash your wig, you're also going to need a sink or some sort of tub that you can fill up with water. So if you're using a sink, make sure it's a sink that has a stopper that you can fill up with water. So here is what the wig looks like beforehand. And now let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure your wig is nicely brushed or combed out before you start the washing process. Next, you're going to want to start filling up a basin of water, either a sink or some sort of tub that you can fill with water, with lukewarm water. You do not want to use hot water as this risks damaging your wig, so cool to lukewarm should work well. Once the sink is filled up with water, you can fill it with about a capful of the shampoo, the synthetic hair shampoo from René of Paris. Completely submerge your wig in the water and gently swish it around. You can also allow your wig to sit in the water for 5 to 10 minutes if you think that helps get the extra dirt out, if you think that it particularly needs a good wash. Once you're satisfied with how long the wig has been washing in the mixture of shampoo and water, you can then take the wig out, drain the sink, and then fill it with clean water. Now you're going to take your wig and gently swish it in the clean water to make sure all of the soap is out. You're going to want to make sure all the soap is out before moving on to the next step. To make sure all the soap is out, you can also gently run the wig underneath your faucet. Make sure that the faucet water pressure isn't too strong so that it doesn't damage your wig. But if you have just a light stream of water just going into the wig with lukewarm water, that should also help get the soap out. Once all the soap is out, make sure that your sink is completely emptied again and you're ready for the next step for conditioner. Now with the conditioner, with the wig still damp, you're going to take the conditioner and lightly apply it, working from the top of the hair through the downward motion. Avoid getting the conditioner too much in the wig cap. You can start from the top of the hair and work your way to the bottom of the tips of the hair. Once you have the conditioner applied, you can go ahead and rinse with lukewarm water right in your faucet. For the drying process, you can take the wig out of the water now. You can lightly pat it with a towel. Make sure you're not wringing it out or pressing too hard with the towel to cause any friction frizz. And generally, I just let my wigs hang dry on maybe the shower head or on a wig head or something where it can just easily drip down and fall naturally. If your hair dries with any bends or kinks in it, it risks kind of staying like that once it's dried, so make sure that the hair is able to fall naturally. is the after of the wig washing process. It's completely dried now, it's actually the next day, and first of all, I really love the smell of the wig shampoo with René of Paris, but also you can just tell it just flows a little bit more nicely, and it just has a nicer effect once it's clean. Of course, washing your wig is going to be a regular process, but if you're ever noticing things like maybe the hair isn't flowing as nicely or it doesn't have as nice of a shine as it used to, then usually a great solution is washing it. But of course, this is going to be good for regular maintenance as well. So once it's dried, I just take it off the wig head or wherever it was drying and just give it a nice brush out. If you want to, you can optionally put in the liquid, the Revive Liquid Enhancement Spray, which helps give it an even nicer shine if the washing process didn't already do that, but that's an optional step. But that's a fantastic product for multi-use styling. But in general, here is the after of the wig washing process. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any other questions about the wig washing process, definitely leave them in the comments and we'll answer all of your questions there. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, René of Paris, and follow us on Instagram at René of Paris to stay up to date on all of our latest wig releases and tutorials. If you want to learn more about any of the wigs we talk about in our videos, you can also visit our website, reneofparis.com. You can find all of our different wig lines there and learn more details on that website. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.